Hi, I'm showing a replacement screen for Lenovo T430s. I got a new replacement screen from laptopscreen.com to replace it. If you see, the screen is already gone, so it's pretty easy to replace, I think. Let's see. So I got a new screen from laptopscreen.com. So let's try to replace this one. So first we need to switch off the power. It's a Lenovo T430s model. So if you see, we'll take off the battery, then we should not have any power source there. So now it's just like we need to remove the screen. So if you can just pop out the screen, it should be pretty easy, I think. So once you pop out the frame, then you can see there are like 4 screws which we need to unscrew. So just I'm using a normal screwdriver. So there are 2 more down. And 1 more. Once you unscrew all the 4 screwdrivers, the laptop screen should pretty much easily pop up. And there is only like 1 hook. Probably you can see there is just like 1 connector which we need to take that off. So and before ordering, make sure this model everything is same which fits to your laptop. So this is pretty much, you can take the screen off. So you can see this, it's the same model for T430s which I am replacing with mine. So it should be easy, if you can see. Just make sure it goes behind the frame so that it's easy to fit. And then so just screw all the 4 screws carefully. the last screw, because the frame doesn't come out completely. So once you have all the 4 screens, then it should be easy. So now just open the screen so that it fits into its grooves. Make sure everything goes in properly. Once the frame sets in, I think this looks good. Let's see. So let's put the battery back in and just lock it, and let's see if it switch on back. Good. Yeah, the screen looks good now. So this is very simple. Yeah, so this is how you can replace your defective Lenovo T430s screen with a new screen. Yeah, you just need a normal screwdriver and it should be good. Thank you.